Okay, hi guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've been gone for a whole month. I know. I was busy with work and I didn't like the last video I made, so I was like, cut it. I cut the crap, cut the cameras, dead ass. So I am back cause what I got all the time in the world with this lockdown. So I filmed this look. This bum-ass look. And the only thing I regret is I did not film here. I filmed over there. And over there was dark and here looks fantastic. It's raining outside, it's cloudy. I thought I was avoiding the clouds. Can't they? I am playing myself, guys. So look at me looking snatched right here, but the footage you're gonna see is it ain't it, and I'm sorry for that. It's a learning curve. I'll do my best. Tomorrow I will film another look and make sure to be in this here spot where I'm at. Okay, you can stop focusing now. Where I'm at, looking snatched. Look at the eye look. Look at the eye look. At some point I did forget to press the recording button to do the white lines, and I thought another video was not there, but it's there. So guys, this is a crappy video, I'm sorry, but you guys can just watch to see the eye look without the white line. I did not finish the whole look on camera, I just did the eye look, so forgive me please for all of that. All right, let's get right into the look. this whole time I wasn't recording. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you did like the look. If you like how I look now, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment of what you want me to do. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please come back for another video. Make sure to subscribe and share this video. Oh yeah, my name is Kilisawelisi. I did not tell you what my name is. My name is Kilisawelisi. You can call me Kili Loves a Lot because I laugh a lot. And always remember to keep calm and laugh a lot. What else are you gonna do? Alright, bye.